In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Mail notification pop-ups when they're not working. If you've noticed that your Outlook notifications aren't showing up as they should, don't worry. We'll walk through the process together to get them back on track. If you're using Microsoft Outlook on your desktop, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top right corner of your Outlook window. There you should see an icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings icon. Click on that to open up a menu with several options. Once you're in the settings menu, your next stop is the general section. You should see this as one of the options in the left sidebar. Click on general and then look for notifications. This is where you'll have the chance to adjust your settings to ensure that your notifications are configured correctly. In the notification settings, take a close look to see if notifications are turned on. It's easy to miss this setting or to have accidentally turned it off. While you're there, also check for any customization options you might have overlooked or forgotten about. You can usually find settings for specific types of notifications like email alerts, which might need some tweaking to get them working as you expect. After you've reviewed and adjusted your notification settings, it's important to test if they're now working as intended. However, if you've double-checked everything and the problem still persists, there's another troubleshooting step you can try. Simply exit out of Outlook completely. Closing the application allows it to fully shut down. And when you reopen it, sometimes that simple restart can resolve ongoing issues with notifications. So go ahead and close the Outlook application by clicking File in the top left corner and then selecting Exit. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Outlook icon in your taskbar and choose Close. Once you've done that, reopen Outlook and see if your mail notifications are now popping up like they should. If this doesn't solve the problem, there might be deeper issues at play, such as system settings, updates, or conflicts with other applications running on your computer. But often, ensuring your notifications are enabled and restarting the application will do the trick. I hope this helps you get those Outlook mail notifications back to working properly. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and troubleshooting advice in the future.